Hello everyone, today I'll show you a quick and easy way to download Instagram videos and Reels. So, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to the video or reel you want to download. Then, tap on the share button. Usually looks like an arrow. Copy the link to the video. Then, open your Chrome browser. Search for Instagram Video Downloader. Click on Snap Insta from the search results. Paste the link you copied from Instagram. Click on the download button. Then, tap Download Video to confirm. Now, click the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Go to Downloads. Find and tap on the downloaded video from Instagram. Your video is saved, and you can find it in your photo gallery. And there you have it! You've successfully downloaded a video from Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching! For additional information, please ensure you have the right to download and use any content according to Instagram's terms and conditions. Then, that's all. Bye-bye!